Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space C colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command C colon and simply press enter. Now type cd space C colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command, type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command, type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now execute this command carefully, type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Execute this command, type dir, then simply hit enter. Now execute this command, type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type in cd space C colon / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command, type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command, type bcd edit space /export space C colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Type cd space C colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space C colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space C colon /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type ren space C colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.